I told you.
When will you visit my homies in Concord?
No, she put the paper for me. Paper on the chair.
Yo.
Ooh. Cool. Ginny, do you know Andy?
Andy?
Oh yeah.
Andy?
Yeah, he is. How can I say this? Star, American star. He is a streamer, also celebrity.
Oh.
Yeah. So he just came to the chat. He is free in the evening.
Andy?
Yeah, I will tell you later. Look at there! Yeah! What is this? Oh! Guitar Center! Hachu really like it, I guess. Hachu must come here. Send it to her. Guitar Center. Guitar Center. Oh! Cool. Uh-huh.
This place is called Guitar
He's my
Center.
grandma? I don't think so.
This is like the most fanciest guitar center.
Wow!
Like 最厉害的 guitar center.
Cool.
最厉害
Very cool. Uh-huh.
Loving it.
우와! 오!
The weather is there.
오! We're putting you on the Grammy red carpet. Carpet. What's that mean? We are putting you on the Grammy. Is this like a, what is that? Entertainment? Like making celebrity? If we go there, we can be on the red carpet? Is that what they're talking about? Can't pick our camera. Sorry. Music over. Honestly, sorry. No, right version. Pretty much long ago made you feel you're not alone. Have a punching, keep a forehead, Bible thumb, Twitchy mode. Cool. Awesome. Very good. Oh.
The sun is really strong all of a sudden.
Yeah. I guess tomorrow weather is gonna be really great.
Yeah.
So we should go Universal?
Yes.
Okay.
明天我们要去
Tomorrow Universal
Studio. Because tomorrow is
Yeah,
like
very beautiful sky in the air, Los Angeles. Oh my gosh, so cool. Wow. No matter what happened, I'm coming with you. What is that? Is that from movie? Oh, it's sunny now. Into the unknown. Into the unknown.
Monday, yes. Thank you for 1,000. Thank you so much. 天在小天I don't understand, but thank you so much for 1,000 beats.
Joe Para. Who's Joe Para?
What is it? Being translated.
Himichu. What is Himichu? Look at this, Chad. Oh, so beautiful, isn't it? for lease. Is it car?